Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever popped your hood and heard a weird hissing sound, kinda like a snake is living in your engine bay, don't panic. It's probably not a snake. More likely, you're dealing with a vacuum leak. So, what is that? Your engine uses a vacuum system for a bunch of different functions, and when one of the hoses or gaskets in that system gets a crack or a hole, air gets sucked in where it shouldn't be. This creates that distinct hissing noise. A vacuum leak can cause all sorts of problems, like a rough idle, poor acceleration, and even your check engine light coming on. In our next video, I'll show you how to find and fix these pesky leaks at home, so make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss it. Thanks for watching.